Hello friends, we are going to have the proper understanding of grammatical form, and that is direct indirect speech. It is most difficult part of grammar where transformation of sentences becomes very difficult to the students. From that point of view, we are going to discuss about direct and indirect speech. Let first of all we will understand what does it mean by direct speech and indirect speech. Direct speech always contain the punctuation mark. It contain here comma, and always the sentence is written in double inverted commas. Second step is here, direct statement is always made by speaker to the listener. On the other hand, the indirect speech, it is reported by the third person, and this reporting is made about the speaker and listener. Means what kind of conversation is going on between speaker and listener, it is reported by third person. It is always without any punctuation mark. When we are converting direct statement into indirect, then we are not using any punctuation mark. It is always with the conjunctions. How? I will explain to you. While transforming direct statement into indirect speech or indirect sentences, then we have to consider the different types of sentences. Just we will see the example. You can concentrate here. The first sentence is given here. He said, I play cricket. This is the direct speech sentence containing two clauses. The first clause is up to comma, and second clause contain or it is written into double inverted commas. Now, while converting this direct sentence into indirect sentences, we have to first of all think about the type of sentence written into double inverted comma. That type of sentence decide what kind of reporting verb we have to use in indirect speech and what kind of conjunction we have to insert to connect both clauses. Now, for the purpose, it is necessary to understand the type of sentence written into double inverted commas. Let us first of all, we will have proper introduction of assertive type of sentences, which is also called here declarative sentence. It means it is always having the sentence construction SV plus other words. Means it contains subject, verb and other words, that is the sequence of assertive sentence. You can easily see that sentence construction in this sentence. Means we will consider the first example which is given here. He said, I play cricket. So, while converting this sentence into indirect speech, first of all think about the type of sentence written into double inverted comma. As you know, this is assertive sentence. Hence, we have to use here conjunction that. That's why the conjunction is marked with a double underline. The reporting verb can be written as it is. Even the type of tense used for reporting verb, it tells us what kind of changes we have to do in the remaining clause in indirect speech. For example, he said that I means who? The person. This I is belonging to the speaker. So, he played cricket. As the tense is here simple present, while converting it into indirect speech, it will change into simple past tense. Like that, we will think about the second sentence. We will see the structure is same, but I have just changed here the tenses. In second sentence, you can observe here, he said, I am playing cricket. The type of sentence is here present continuous tense. While changing or converting this sentence into indirect speech, we have to convert it into past continuous tense. Hence, the sentence will be like that. He said that he was playing cricket. Now, the third sentence in third tense. I have played cricket. So, it will change into indirect speech. Have played will be converted it into had played. That is past perfect tense. The sentence will be same. Everywhere we have to use here conjunction that. After that, he said, I played cricket. Now, tense is which one? Simple past tense. If it is simple past tense, it will be converted it into past perfect tense in indirect statement. So, the sentence will be, he said that he had played cricket. Now, next, He said, I was playing cricket. This is in which type of tense? This is past continuous tense. If it is past continuous tense, then in indirect speech, it will be converted it into past perfect continuous tense. That is tense number 4. So the sentence will be like that. He said that he had been playing cricket. After that, if we are writing fourth, that is most important tense of past tense, that is past perfect continuous tense, then it is not necessary to change the tense, or as already it is done. No any changes will occur in indirect speech. Just we have to add here conjunction and write down the sentence as it is. So in this statement we are going to use here, he said that he had been playing cricket as it is. Now in case of future tense, where we have used here I will play cricket, just we have to do the past tense of first helping verb, and that is what? Will. So in this sentence we have to convert it into indirect speech in this way. He said that he would play cricket, in this way. Do not make changes in main verb, that is play. Why? Because before it we are having helping verb, and that is will. If it is will, shall, may, then obviously you have to convert it into would, should, might, and then write down main verb as it is. After that, the next sentence is here, I will have played cricket. That is future perfect tense, then it can be converted it into he would have played cricket. Means when we are going to convert any assertive sentence given into double inverted commas, then we have to first of all identify the type of sentence, and accordingly we have to do necessary changes in that sentence in indirect speech. That is rule number 1 belonging to the tense. Now let us, we will concentrate upon rule number 2, where we have to do necessary changes in reporting verb. In many of the times in sentences, Radha said to her friend, said to reporting verb is used. In this case, many of the times 99% students they write down told to. This is incorrect because we have to remove said to complete this phrase reporting verb, and instead of that we have to write down told. This is the rule belonging to assertive type of sentence, and then convert the next sentence as it is by including here conjunction that and I, this belonging to the speaker Radha. That's why we have used here pronoun she, and tense is here simple present, so it will be converted it into simple past. So it will be Radha told her friend that she was busy. Now rule number 3, mother says you should speak true. Now we can observe easily the reporting verb is in simple present tense. If reporting verb is in simple present tense, then we are not necessary to do necessary changes in the tense in the second clause. For example, in this sentence we can easily observe it is written in indirect speech accordingly. Mother says that you, mother can address it anyone. It can be I, it can be he, it can be she also. But immediately after that we have to write down the sentence as it is, that is should speak true. Not necessary to do any necessary changes in the verb. Now rule number 4, that is the last one, where we have to concentrate upon the sentence that is part of sentence, and that is clause number 2. In second clause you can find out here universal truth. When the clause contains universal truth, then it is not necessary to do changes in the tense. It can be written as it is. Let us, we will see how it will be converted. The teacher told, as I told you in rule number 2, we have to remove complete said to, and instead of that we have to write down told. So the sentence will be like that. The teacher told the students, use your conjunction, that practice makes man perfect. Write down the sentence as it is because it conveys universal truth. So this is about assertive sentence or declarative sentence. As per the type of sentence written into second clause, it decides what kind of changes we have to do in reporting verb and what kind of conjunction we have to use to connect both clauses. Thank you. In the next episode, we will discuss about imperative type of sentences and how the changes occur.